Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Just One Day MV. Yeah, this was released in 2014, so it is one of their earlier songs. And it has a really sweet whitish color thumbnail, so it's going to be, I think, a soothing song most probably. I mean, the way they are doing this, like on the thumbnail, I'm really interested what this is because it looks with the cap and all. So let's start reacting to this, how it is different from now. Let's see. Let's start the reaction. Okay, the logo. Okay. Okay, the start is with the nice.
Just one day, one night.
Okay.
That's all I ever wanted.
One day, one night. Okay. This is going to be different, really. The music also is like that. Okay. Because they are sitting in a chair and they are wearing white and black. I think monochromatic. Let's see. Oh, so sugar. I don't think he's gonna start, and this is really slow. Normally sugar is like rapping rapid fire, and now it's like smooth song. Let's see more. It's a soft one. Okay. Okay. There's like total shadow also. Lighting is also pretty nice. The effect. Okay. He's talking about the girl. I think that is so sweet. I mean, he's giving a full description of that girl from head to toe. This is so, which is really cutesy. I mean, they are all looking really young, and JK is like total baby in that. I mean, whoa, what is this? Suddenly this twirl thing. Okay. There is a BGM. Is the sound of our breathing, really? This is really cutesy song. Let me see more. This song. There was a piano also. Man. Okay, I want some with the voice and swim. My God, he is really big. But I'm really loving this cut scenes in which they're suddenly dancing and swirling, and what is this? Appreciate a masterpiece, you man. That is so. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, the background. I think there is a clock also there. Clock or what? What is this shadow and all? Okay, this is so cute, man. Just dream of me, really. Oh my God, this is so cute. Hold my hand just for one day. I mean, that is just one date. He's asking for just one date. Okay, this is so cute. The smooth way the choreography is also like, he's like soft. Let's see more. Balls. He just did that in the butterfly shadow, and okay, this is so cute. Okay. They're having that school dress also. I mean, like first crush feeling, most probably. That's what they're trying to say, I think. I'm really loving this sitting, and no need for choreography in this, not much. The singing and vocals itself is just going skyrocketing. This was so cute. Man, I should stop saying cute, like, but it's so. I think this is Jimin who just world like that. I mean, on the this guy, that's why he's my bias. Like, look at this. I mean, he's just in the middle. Then Hosek is like, okay, the voice changes different. Jimin, okay. This is really smooth.
그럴 수 있다면 얼마나 좋을까 아무 때나 가서 밥 먹고 영화 한 편만
Yeah, now he's describing the date, how he's going to take her out on the movie, they're gonna eat. It's like total smooth way of describing his feelings. Nice, and Tae's voice is pretty great.
있다면 나라는 정말 먼 짓이라도
I didn't think it would be like that.
Girl, I'm sorry.
Can I just say
모르겠는
that
무슨
Namjoon's
적
hair is so... He's looking so fluffy. I mean, it's like cute teddy bear. But he's looking really nice. And the lyrics like really sweet. If you smile, you see me someday. Give me a smile. This is so okay.
조금은 아니 어쩌면 많이 날 원망하겠지 알아 내 꿈 때문에 널도
Oh
바라보지
God, his hair is suddenly looking different now. Is it platinum blonde? Please give me one day in dreams is fine. This is just... Oh my God. I'm really loving this. Really soft song. Oh, it's like that first love feeling. It's like flying. That's what this suddenly showing in the middle. He's flying. Nice. And I'm really liking their wardrobe choices also. It is going well with the song because it's white and it's like smooth, soft song. Oh, he's in spotlight now. Oh God. This is such a cute choreography. I mean, it's like doing that and then they're doing this. So it's like intertwining their hands. In the choreography itself, it's like hold my hand like that. That is just okay, nice. I can hold your hands just for one day. That's what it's nice. Just one day. The way they are saying it, just like they're flirting with the camera itself there. And the piano in the middle, later on in the end, it's like really going well with this song. Oh, I was thinking why there was a clock. And there is just one day and then they are talking about morning to evening, like click. They incorporated the tick voice in that. Okay, nice.
일단은 아침부터 입맞춤해 빠질 수 없는 브런치도 한입해 손잡고 너와 햇빛에 몸 담그네 안 끝내 아름다운 밤중에 너에게 고백해 내 voices 수많은 이유들이 내게 말을 해
Their voices are gelling so well in this. Just one day everything is possible. This is just like they are waiting. I think it's in a way they're like they want to spend one day with their lovers. Like normally, I think they are now successful, so it's like that kind of shown in here. It could be like that also. The sad undertones that they can't go on a normal date right now because they are pursuing their dream. It could be like that also. So that is a little. If it could be a sad song also, but let's see. This is pretty sweet though. I'm liking the song. The way they're singing right now. God, the end in which the back noise. I think it's Jimin. The vocals in the back, man. And Jin with a rose. Just for one day. This is so good. Okay, I'm really loving this. Okay, just one day. One day. beats of this song is so good, man. And this then soft songs with this beat. Okay. Jimin's voice is like totally going there now. Really love it. Do it. The way they did the formations on the chair also, it was pretty nice. The way they did it, it's like really good to look at. Party that is spending. Okay, just one day they want to spend with us. Just one day. Okay. Suddenly there's just one day. They ended it like that. One day stay with me. This is just, it could be both the songs. Maybe they are just, it's a happy song. They are emotional ones there. They are happy that they're going to go with the girl, or want to tell the girl that please go with me for one day and be happy. Then that kind of happy-go-lucky song, a first crush or something. But it could be a sad song also, just as I said. There are too many theories, if you can say. So comment down below if you think which song it is, sad one or a fun first love, happy crush feeling. So if you like my reaction to this, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section.